If you want to search for a song on Google Pixel 10a, then we have two main ways to do so. The first method is to go to Settings. Now over here we're gonna go to Sound and Vibration, and then in these settings you should be able to find Now Playing, which you can enable in this place. This option allows the phone to listen to the background pretty much all the time and pick up the song title if there is a song being played in the background. You can get the song title on the lock screen, which is going to be right next to the fingerprint sensor or somewhere near it. And of course, then you should be able to also access the Now Playing history in case you have like some songs that have been detected, and you can just simply find your song in here. But what you can also do instead, if you don't want to use the music, the Now Playing feature, you can use the search song option in Circle to Search. So if you activate Circle to Search, if you press and hold your finger on the navigation bar at the bottom of the screen, or on the home button if you use the gestures, the three buttons for navigation, then over here on the Circle to Search layout, we have this bar at the bottom of the screen and we have this music node. And if you tap on it, then you can let your phone listen to the background just in that moment in order to try to get the song title, and then you will get the Google search result with that song title. You can also add the song search option to quick settings or the control center. If you tap on this pen icon on the right side and then scroll down, then in this section from system apps, you can find song search, so you can add it to the list. Let's make it actually wider. And you can use that button instead of using Circle to Search. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.